Welcome to Tumbler's Fall Lock Sport. I have in front of me a pair of Brinks all brass body padlocks. I picked these up a couple weeks ago. Every time I go to a store that sells locks, I end up browsing their selection and I can't help myself. I end up buying one or two, but I have amassed quite a pile. So I guess it's time to start working my way through them. Let's open these things up and pick them. If I don't cut myself. Oh, I'm gonna cut the lock. That's gonna be open. That's good. Knife needs sharpening. All right, let's see what we got here. I think I'll use this one. Yeah, it'll work. And let me use this Peterson gem 25. Overset something. Try it again. It's open. Well, that wasn't much of a challenge, but it's just a stock lock. There's the key. Looks like low on 5, high on 3 and 4, low on 2, and really high on 1. Well, I guess that's it. Well, let's see if it's if we can bypass this thing. I didn't feel anything while I was in there. Let's see if the keyway's shielded. Oh yeah, it's shielded. No bypass in there. May be able to shim this thing. I don't know if we can get a shim in now. That'll probably work. Yeah. Alright, let's see if it's shimmable. This thing around where I can get to it. I don't even know if we'll get it in there. No. It did go in. The other side's going to be tight though. Yeah, I don't know if it'll go in. We'll go in from the side and try to turn it. Okay, we're in a little bit. Now, problem's going to be trying to get it down. Oh, that's tight. Yeah, it may not be possible. Okay, well, I'm down there. Let's see if we can do it like this. Push it in right far. And yeah, I can't quite get enough of it down in there. Don't know if I'll be able to get it all in enough. Nope. Yep, I was wrong. It is shimmable. That was a little tough though. Pretty tight tolerances. Well, it's certainly nothing I'd lock up anything of mine with, but it was fun to pick. All right, I'm Buddy Love. And until next time, I'm out.